Adrian here. We're making this really delicious chorizo and bean cassoulet. So we're firstly going to kick off with an onion, and then we're going to go with the chorizo or chorizo. We're going to give this a really good dice. What we're using for this recipe, the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can see these in shops all across Ireland. Really good. What you want to do is you want to give them a really good seasoning. We're going to use just half a bunch of basil, and then we have half a chicken stock, chopped tomatoes, our cannellini beans, straight into a casserole dish. So I'm just using ciabatta and rip it. It's just that little drizzle of olive oil that gives the kind of crispy top. So there we have it, a really delicious chicken, chorizo and bean cassoulet with a little help from Manor.